We lost $20,000 in 4 minutes. Not because of a hacker. Not because of a bug. But because of a perfectly valid design decision. Our payment gateway was a standard Flask application. Simple, clean, Pythonic. It handled our initial startup traffic perfectly. We were processing payments, customers were happy, and the code was maintainable. But when we hit 50 sustained concurrent requests per second, the P99 latency spiked to 2 full seconds. The global interpreter lock, coupled with stop-the-world garbage collection pauses, was absolutely killing our throughput. Scaling horizontally wasn't fixing the unit economics. We needed raw performance, without rewriting the entire world. So we made a decision. We would rewrite just the hot path, the critical payment processing endpoint, in Rust using Actix-Web. Here is the same endpoint in Rust. Notice the type safety. We handle the JSON deserialization with CERD, minimizing allocations and avoiding unnecessary copies. Every byte is accounted for. Unlike Python, there is no heavy runtime garbage collector here. Memory is managed deterministically at compile time via ownership. No pauses. No surprises. Just predictable performance. The result? We deployed to the same exact EC2 micro instance. Throughput went from 50 to 2000 requests per second. RAM usage dropped from 400 megabytes to 15. 40 times faster. 26 times less memory. Python is efficient for writing code. Rust is efficient for running code. And when you pay for cloud compute, you are paying to run code. That's why we switched. Efficiency is money.